Hi, I'm Rebecca Stone, your video production and photography mentor at Studio NPL. And we are out here enjoying this gorgeous sunny day because I wanted to take the chance to do a workshop on filters. Filters are a great thing to have in your kit for your photography, for your video production. They're a way to help fix the image in camera to do less work in post-production. So there's lots of filters to choose from. We're just going to talk about two today. The first one is going to be the ND filter. That is a neutral density filter. This filter really helps bring in color, it helps bring in detail. It's basically like wearing sunglasses for your camera. The main thing it does is remove all that washed out look that you get on the sunny days. So right now what you're watching is with an ND filter. Let's see how it looks without it. Not that great, is it? Let's put it back on. There we go. Now you can see me again. Welcome back. Okay, so that was the neutral density filter. We're going to move on to the polarizer filter. The polarizer, also known as a true pole, is the filter that you see a lot in movie production when the camera is mounted to the hood of the car and it's aimed right towards the driver and it's actually filming the driver, but there's no reflection. Which, if you've ever tried to do this at home, you could be like, why is there reflection everywhere and I don't see that in the movies? Because they're using a true pole filter. So this is the difference of what a true pole filter could look like. Not only does it take the reflection out of like a windshield, it can also do it, for an example, if you're trying to film the water here on the lake. It'll take the reflection out of the water and you can see the water for what it is. How it works is you actually turn the polarizer, and that's what creates that magical effect, which removes the reflection from the water, the reflection of the sky from the water, and you got to see how the water looked without it. Again, that polarizer actually needs to be rotated to create that magical effect, which is pretty cool, and you get to see how it works. Now, filters unfortunately can be pretty expensive. You can of course go online and see what you could find. A trick you could try at home though, if you don't have access to them, is just to grab your sunglasses, put them in front of your iPhone, put them in front of your camera, see what effect you can get by trying that little experiment. The two filters we covered today in our filter workshop is the ND filter, which is the neutral density filter, and the true pole, which is the polarizer filter. I'm glad you had the opportunity to see how they'd work. Remember, if you want to test them at home, your sunglasses is a great way to start. We'll do some more filter workshops in the future. I hope you'll join us here at Studio NPL.